Genie, Louise. My friend said dealer system. Approaching.
Velvet ropes, spotlights, celebrities, world-class Napa leather-trimmed driver's cockpits. Well, at least that's what you'll be thinking after you've been to the Dodge premiere event. Because Dodge is premiering their new 2011 lineup. 6 new Dodge vehicles with a whole new level of refinement. And if you are still thinking about celebrities, you're overthinking. You stalker.
Now lease the 2011 Dodge Charger Rally for only $329 a month.